so you can see a little rougher area. What's up, guys? We're going to get those calipers here. This one is OEM. I think it's powder coated already. This one is painted. This one I already soda blasted. As you see on the rougher side, we got a little trouble here cleaning up. So we're gonna see. This is very smooth. We're gonna use aluminum oxide here. So we're gonna compare on the same parts what is the difference between aluminum oxide and soda. Alright, so I'm gonna start by doing exactly the same side I have on the other one. Alright, hard work paid off. My compressor is too small, but basically this is it here. You see a little rougher area all around. And this one is the soda blast. Focus! See, that's very smooth, but also has like some of the black paint left because I was having very big trouble trying to take it out. You can see this is way smoother, but it's way harder. It took me probably 3 hours to get this half done, and this here I got the whole thing done. So this is basically done. I need to wash it, and that's the other thing. I saw someone on a video. This is a dust boot, so it shouldn't damage that whatsoever. The media doesn't damage this, it bounces off. I found that on a video. I might put the guy's link down here, but it's ready to powder coat. I need to wash, as you see here. I'm not sure, I might blow and, you know, the grease with that. And I gotta do the same thing here. And I also did a little test on this one, and yeah, look at that. So aluminum oxide is the thing. And unfortunately I'll need to stop because there's some sort of condensation. I think it's because it's too cold. So I was blowing here. You can see water. It doesn't, I mean, it's, yeah, I don't know what the deal was, but this thing has been working hard for 1 hour. Yeah, so this little thing is gonna get good calipers. It's gonna be surprise color. I appreciate you guys watching. If you watched this far, really thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tell your friends. Alright guys, love you. Later.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.